Looking to preserve your favorite fruits, make healthy snacks, or create delicious jerky at home? A food dehydrator is your kitchen's best-kept secret. Today, we're counting down the top 5 food dehydrators that'll transform how you snack and save money. Let's dive in. Number 5. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have this incredible 8-tier powerhouse perfect for serious food preservation. What makes this dehydrator stand out is its massive capacity. 8 spacious trays let you dehydrate large batches of fruits, vegetables, herbs, and meats simultaneously. The temperature regulation ensures even drying across all levels, so no more worrying about inconsistent results. Whether you're preparing camping food, making healthy snacks for kids, or preserving garden harvests, this machine handles it all. The vertical airflow efficiently circulates warm air from bottom to top, creating perfectly dried results every time. The stackable design saves counter space despite its impressive capacity. For bulk dehydrating without breaking the bank, this is your go-to choice. Ready to level up your food preservation? Check the description and comments for the link. Number 4. At number 4, we have a fantastic beginner-friendly option that delivers pro features. This 5-tray dehydrator features an LED display, making operation incredibly simple. Just set it and forget it. What really shines here is the included mesh screen, sheet recipes, and comprehensive recipe book to kickstart your journey. The 72-hour timer provides ultimate flexibility for overnight or extended drying projects. Create everything from beef jerky and fruit leather to dried herbs and dog treats, all completely BPA-free for peace of mind. The clear LED screen monitors temperature and time at a glance, while included accessories mean you start dehydrating immediately. Perfect for families wanting healthy snacks without store-bought preservatives and additives. The 5-tray capacity balances compact storage with practical batch sizes beautifully. Want to begin your dehydrating adventure? Grab the link from the description and comments below. Number 3. At number 3, we have an innovative space-saving solution perfect for modern kitchens. This 5-layer dehydrator features adjustable height spacing, customized tray levels for thick fruit slices, bulky vegetables, or flat herbs. The digital timer and temperature control with LED display make precision drying effortless, while the mesh rack delivers strong capacity with excellent circulation. Available in 2 colors, this unit combines functionality with style. What makes this special is its compact footprint when stored, designed to save counter and cabinet space without sacrificing performance. Digital controls eliminate guesswork, automatically maintaining perfect temperatures. From nutrient-packed veggie chips to seasonal produce, this versatile machine handles everything. The adjustable spacing is particularly useful for dehydrating different foods simultaneously without flavor mixing. Ready to maximize kitchen efficiency? The purchase link awaits in description and comments. Number 2, taking silver. At number 2 is this premium 5-tray powerhouse delivering professional results for home users. With 240 watts of power, this machine tackles even moisture-rich foods quickly. The adjustable temperature control and impressive 72-hour timer mean you handle any dehydrating project confidently. The bright LED display keeps you informed constantly, while the included recipe book unlocks hundreds of creative possibilities, from sweet fruit snacks to savory meat treats. What impresses us most is how it balances power and efficiency perfectly. You get commercial-grade drying without the price tag or energy costs. 5 removable trays are dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Perfect for making healthy family snacks, preparing lightweight camping food, or creating unique gifts like herb blends. The reliable performance makes this a favorite among beginners and experts. Don't miss out. Find the link in description and comments. Number 1. Here we are at number 1, the absolute best food dehydrator checking every box. This premium model features 5 durable stainless steel trays built to last. With a powerful 420-watt motor, it dries food faster and more evenly than competitors. The 48-hour timer and precise temperature regulation give complete control, whether making herb seasonings or beef jerky. Stainless steel is more hygienic, easier to clean, and doesn't retain odors like plastic. The comprehensive recipe book opens possibilities, from dried fruits and vegetables to protein snacks and dog treats. What makes this our top pick is the perfect blend of professional features, reliability, and easy operation. Generous capacity handles family-sized batches, while efficient design keeps energy costs low. This is an investment in healthier eating and reduced waste. Ready for the best? The link is in description and comments. Grab yours today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.